Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
We are live on Facebook and YouTube. I'm James Spann. It is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 27th of June, 2022. A number of locations getting some good downpours today. Not everybody, and heat levels are down as expected. Let's start with the upper air look across the country today. The core of the heat beginning to shift a little to the west, and that's going to keep highs on most days in the upper 80s this week. We'll check the radar composite. That was taken about 2:30 this afternoon. Got some pretty strong storms in progress, especially through parts of central and east Alabama. Now, the heavier storms there producing strong winds, some ominous clouds, a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning, very heavy rain. You can see it's not raining everywhere, but again, some spots are getting quite a soaking this afternoon. Temperatures are way down. You know, a few days ago we had readings near 100. Well, today we've got 79 for Gadsden, 82 for Cullman and Haleyville. Still some low 90s in spots. Birmingham's creeped up to 91, but most days this week we'll see highs under 90. And around the region, you can see we've got 87 for Montgomery with thunderstorms nearby. Huntsville sitting at 88. And again, those numbers about what you expect this time of the year. Pretty quiet day across the country. This is the watch warning map today. Got a few heat advisories way out west. The east is very quiet. We'll check the severe weather outlook. This is for the rest of today and tonight. No organized severe weather expected. Of course, we got the chance of thunderstorms here. Tomorrow we have marginal risks well to the north, parts of Wisconsin and Michigan, and parts of Montana. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, again, a marginal risk for parts of Minnesota, the Dakotas down here. Yes, a chance of thunderstorms, but organized severe weather not expected. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The good news, numbers are coming up. This is the rain valid through Monday morning of next week. And for most of you, rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches. And understand this is the time of the year where people get really frustrated, where their neighbor 5 miles down the road might get a flash flood, and they get nothing, and their yard is crispy and crunchy. So understand it will not rain everywhere every day. That's not the way it works in summer. Storms are scattered and random. However, if you take the next 5 days, just about everybody should see at least 1 or 2 good downpours over a 5-day period. So if you didn't get rain today, don't get discouraged. You have a pretty good chance really over the next 7 days. So in the tropics, we've got some active weather to talk about. It's that time of the year. Hurricane Center watching 3 areas today. One is in the Gulf of Mexico, a little trough that's south of the Mississippi Gulf Coast. And let's go to the 5-day outlook, and this is showing only a 20% chance of this becoming a depression or storm. It probably will not develop. It's drifting towards South Texas. Got a couple of waves in the Atlantic. The easternmost wave with only a low chance, obviously that low latitude system, the red line, that's the one to watch. That is Invest 94L. And this will be skirting the coast of South America. This is a very low latitude system, and most likely in that position, this will move into Central America by about the first part of next week, 5, 6, 7 days from now. And again, all the modeling showing that the ridge north of the system holds. This is the GFS ensemble. All the members keep it far, far south of the United States. You've got a beach trip coming up to places like Panama City, Gulf Shores. This is far, far south of there. You should be in good shape for the 4th of July weekend with a classic mix of sun and scattered storms. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And notice in the upper air, the core of the heat, the higher heights are well to the west of here, back over parts of the southwest United States. And for us, tomorrow should be a pretty typical late June day. Highs mid to upper 80s, a mixture of clouds and sunshine with scattered showers and storms. And again, like today, not raining everywhere, but a few folks could see a downpour. And that's going to be really the story for the rest of this week. We'll go to Wednesday. Same thing. We'll go to Thursday. And every day you're going to see green on this map, and this is Friday. And understand when you see the green here, don't think that's exactly where it's going to rain. It's not. But every day it's going to be very warm, very humid, with scattered showers and storms, most of them active between about 2 and 10. Not all, but most of them. And like we talked about, it will not rain everywhere every day. But if you just give it a few days, a good chance your lawn will see a good shower or two. over the next several days. And again, highs most days, mid to upper 80s. For the 4th of July weekend, things are just not going to change. That's Saturday, this is Sunday, and this is Monday, the 4th of July. Same story. Every day, a mixture of clouds and sunshine with scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. The chance of any one spot getting a storm over the holiday weekend will be in the 50 to 60% bracket, but there'll be some sun out at times. Again, that's what you expect this time of the year. We'll go to Tuesday of next week. This is when folks go back to work. The upper high trying to build back in, but still not like what we saw last week. Again, highs low 90s probably with a few scattered pop-up afternoon storms. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week. It's a pretty classic summer look right there. Got ridging in place, low 90s, a few scattered storms about. We'll check the rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the GFS ensemble. Numbers are looking pretty good here. This is suggesting the mean will be about 3 inches between now and early July. Of course, your number is going to vary. You know that. Take a look at the numbers. Highs mostly upper 80s through the 4th of July weekend, then creeping back up toward the mid-90s by the middle part of next week. And the latest guidance just in. This is the 8 to 14-day outlook. This is for July 5th through the 11th. The core of the heat a little west of here, but again, looks like temperatures at that point will likely be a little above average. So if you're just joining us here, and if you're new to this, a lot of people, maybe you're seeing this on our Weather Brains channel. This is the James Spann YouTube channel, and just to let you know, we have moved Weather Brains to its own channel now. And I'll put some more links up to be sure you don't miss it. But we're doing the show tonight. We do the show most every Monday night at 8 o'clock Eastern, 7 o'clock Central, over on its own YouTube channel. That'll be its new home from here on out. The James Spann page will go back to these videos that we do twice a day and at other times when the weather is active. So if you're a weather dweeb that typically is looking for Weather Brains, it's over on its own channel. But hey, stick around here. You might find something you like. So that's it for this video. We'll do the live updates every day, weekdays for me, at about 5:30 a.m. and about 3 o'clock p.m. So thanks for watching. Catch us this evening if you can on the news, ABC 3340 at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Weather Brains tonight at 7 o'clock Central Time. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.